In this video, I will show you how to read a CSV file in VS Code. Alright, I will leave this document down below in the description so you can check it out yourself and you can go through the steps yourself. But let's do it together first. And the first step is, of course, to install Visual Studio Code. But I think you already have this, of course. Then get a CSV file, so either download it from the internet or just use your own, and then open the CSV file in VS Code. So then go to File, go to the File menu and then select Open File, right? Then select your specific CSV file you want to open, and then what you need to do is you need to install a Rainbow CSV extension. So open the extensions tab by clicking the icon on the left sidebar or by pressing Ctrl Shift X, right? Then just search for Rainbow CSV and then click on Install. So you need to install this specific extension to make this work, right? It's very secure, so no problem. All right, then let's make the data easy to read. So after you installed this extension, reopen your CSV file to see the colored coded columns. So now they are colored instead of just one solid color, right? Then we need to set up Python. So if Python is not installed, download it from the official Python website. I think you already have this, but all right, then let's open the new file in VS Code and save it with a .py extension. So for example, like this, so read csv.py. So this is very important. You can just copy this again from the document down below. And then what you need to do is you need to install a pandas library. So open the terminal in Visual Studio Code. You can do this by Control and then backtick, and then type pip install pandas and press enter. So pip install pandas and then press enter. Then you can run the code. So write the following code in your Python file. Import pandas as right? Just copy this and then paste this in your Python file. Then save the file and run the Python file by pressing Ctrl Shift P or by typing run Python file and then press enter. And then you can view your CSV data. So the terminal will display the CSV data in a clean and tabular format. So those are quite some steps. It's not that easy, but it's also not that hard. Just following the steps will lead you there, will guide you through how to read a CSV file in VS Code. If you have any questions, just ask them down below. I will be happy to answer them. If anything is unclear, just let me know. And I hope this video was helpful. Like I said, the document, this document, I will leave it in the comments or in the description down below, so you can check it out yourself and you can copy this and all the other things you need to copy. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.